Welcome to the Shakaama Live Show with your host, Shakaama. So, I am outside. A lot of y'all are going to be surprised. I kept watching a bunch of videos talking about overweight people, and so I was so encouraged to take Cujo here for a walk. Yes, he keeps biting my hand, but gently. Oh, there's the ice cream truck. Let's see here. All right, buddy. Sit. All right. Oh, good boy. Can y'all see him? There we go. That's better. Here we go. Alright. I just really want you to... I don't know what's up with my yard. Apparently when the trash people come, they dump everything and the trash flies through the air. I was walking the other day and with a neighbor, and here comes the trash guy, and he dumped this trash, and half of the trash just dumped all over the neighborhood. I was like, well, that doesn't seem like a good design. Is it flawed? A design flaw? So I was gonna do a recording of me walking with Anubis, but I didn't want to have it so blurry and moving and that sort of stuff. This is not the best camera, so I have it on this nice tripod. Here you go. Hey. Oh, here. Get one here. It's not dirty. What are you doing? I just wanted to get a shot of Anubis sitting here and chilling out with me. I would have him in the open, but I just put his collar on. His collar had rubbed off all of his hair around his neck, so I kept it off for almost 4 months. 4 months or so. And actually his collar is what protected him during that fight with the other dog. He bit the collar, and so he couldn't get a real bite. He did a lot of damage, but he couldn't get a real bite. Come here. I need to clean this yard, but every time every time that I stand up, I go dizzy. I'm dizzy sitting here. I wanted to talk about high blood pressure. So for everybody else, high blood pressure is something that is either caused by being overweight or some underlying medical reason. And medical technology is not up to par when it comes to trying to discover some sort of sinister underlying thing. So they will go ahead and treat the high blood pressure and forget the underlying cause. Well, the underlying cause doesn't go away, and a lot of times the high blood pressure is started by your body to help out the underlying cause. So high blood pressure, while it does do a lot of damage to your heart and your blood vessels, In the meantime, for the immediate function, it will try and overcome whatever the underlying reason that you have high blood pressure is. And I said this is for everybody else. Come here, come here. This is for everybody else but black people. In the United States, just being black is enough to have high blood pressure. Just being black. There is no rhyme or reason, but if you look on the American Heart Association website, there is a #1 cause, and it's for everybody else, and the #2 cause is literally just being African American. So, literally being African American is a disease for in the United States. So we really have it bad. Now, it might be that African American men, especially, are more stressed than anybody else, and stress really is a real thing. Here, buddy, here. Come here. All right. There you go, buddy. There you go. All right. This is great. I can actually do training with him because he eats. The food is so tiny, and it's kind of like a treat. So there you have it. All right, this is all I'll do for today. There's all sorts of people who all of a sudden came out the woodwork to make noise and stuff. Thank you all for watching. Leave me a like.